Hello everyone. Today we will study how to write the formula of molecular compounds and ionic compounds. So first we should know the symbols of all the elements which form the compound. Second step is to write the valency of each element below its symbol. And the next step is to cross over the valencies of combining atoms. This means that first we will write the symbol of first element and then we will write the symbol of second element. Below the symbol we will write the valency and then we will cross over the valencies to form the formula of molecular compound. Now let us look at some examples so that it will be clear to you. So first example is hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is a compound of hydrogen and sulfur. So first we write the symbol of hydrogen and sulfur. So as we know that the symbol of hydrogen is H and the symbol of sulfur is S. Now the valency of hydrogen is 1. So below hydrogen we will write 1. And the valency of sulfur is 2. So sulfur के नीचे हम 2 लिखेंगे. Now we will cross over the valency. So क्या formula बनेगा? That is H2S. Second example, write down the formula of carbon dioxide. So the symbol of carbon is C and oxygen का क्या symbol होता है? That is O. So below C, below carbon we will write the valency of carbon, that is 4, and below oxygen we will write the valency of oxygen, that is 2. Now we will cross over the valency. So the formula becomes C2O4. So in the simplest ratio, we will get the formula, that is CO2. Next example, write the formula of hydrogen chloride. Symbol of hydrogen is H. Symbol of chlorine is Cl. Valency of hydrogen is 1 and valency of chlorine is 1. Now we will cross over the valency. So this formula becomes HCl. Next example, write the formula of carbon tetrachloride. So as we know, the symbol of carbon is C and the symbol of chlorine is Cl. Now below the symbol we will write the valency. So the valency of carbon is 4 and the valency of chlorine is 1. So now we will cross over the valency to obtain the formula. So the formula becomes Cl4. Next example, an element X shows 2 valencies. तो हमारे पास एक एलिमेंट है और वो 2 वैलेंसी शो करता है, एक है 3 और एक है 5. Now we have to obtain the formula of 2 oxides of this element. तो वो 2 ऑक्साइड बना रहा है, तो हमें उसका फॉर्मूला लिखना है. तो एज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन दैट द एलिमेंट एक्स हैज़ अ वैलेंसी 3 and 5. सो हम अलग अलग केसेस लेंगे. सो फर्स्ट केस में हमने वैलेंसी ली है 3 और सेकंड केस में हम वैलेंसी लेंगे 5. सो इन फर्स्ट केस वी आर टेकिंग द वैलेंसी ऑफ एलिमेंट एक्स टू बी 3 and we know the valency of oxygen is 2. So now we cross over the valency. So we get the formula X2O3. Next case, in next case we are taking the valency of element X to be 5 and the valency of oxygen atom is 2. So we obtain the formula X2O5. Next topic is how to write the formula of ionic compounds. So as we know that ionic compound is made up of ions, that is cation and anion. So we should know the valency of all the ions given in the table in your NCERT book. So let us look at some examples. Sodium carbonate. The symbol of sodium is Na and the symbol of carbonate ion, that is CO3. Valency of sodium is +1 and the valency of carbonate ion is -2. So now we will cross over the valency to obtain the formula. So we get the formula Na2CO3. Next is magnesium chloride. So the formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. The valency of magnesium is +2 and the valency of chloride ion, that is -1. So now we cross over the valencies to obtain the formula, that is MgCl2. Next example, write the formula of aluminium sulfate. So as we know, the valency of aluminium is +3 and the valency of sulfate ion, that is -2. So we cross over the valency to obtain the formula. So we get the formula Al2SO4 whole thrice. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.